If you're having trouble connecting to Minecraft multiplayer, don't worry. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. You can do this by testing other online services or websites. If your internet is down, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Verify server status. Make sure the server you're trying to connect to is online. You can check the server's website or social media pages for any announcements regarding downtime or maintenance. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that your version of Minecraft is up to date. Open the Minecraft launcher and check for any available updates. If there is an update, download and install it before trying to connect again. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software may block Minecraft from accessing the internet. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception in your antivirus software. Step 5. Restart your computer. If all else fails, try restarting your computer. This can resolve many temporary issues and refresh your network settings, potentially allowing you to connect to multiplayer servers. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your connection issues and enjoy multiplayer gaming in Minecraft. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the server support team for further assistance.